Okay, so here we go. Gotta take this loose. Take these loose so I can get this chain out. I could just pop the master link. But still gotta get this loose anyways. Get this loose. I got Yep. This is my beat. Bring on the heat. Come to the streets. Yeah, I'm these streets. I be the boy burning up the rubber on the beat. Can't even really compete, cause it coming through, burning up the streets. Okay, so we're gonna get this loose. Get this engine off. And that gas tank is coming off. Yeah, this one was leaking, I see. Yeah, this one was leaking, so yeah, that's coming off. Matter of fact. Yeah. And we're not using that old carburetor. We're gonna use the upgraded one. This boy here, it's juicy. We're gonna use that one, so. Yep, new tank and new carburetor. Take this shit off. Get back with you.